Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Chevy Silverado headlights. First, park your truck on a level surface, exactly 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for accurate aiming. Next, ensure your tire pressure is correct, as this impacts vehicle stance and headlight aim. Finally, open your hood and locate the 2 adjustment screws on each headlight assembly. Once the hood is open, you'll see the headlight housing. Look closely for the adjustment screws. Typically, one screw controls the vertical movement of the beam, allowing you to raise or lower it. The other screw manages the horizontal direction, moving the beam left or right. A standard Phillips head screwdriver is usually all you need for these adjustments. Now, let's make the adjustments. Use your screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turning it one way will raise the beam, and the other way will lower it. Similarly, the horizontal screw will move the beam left or right. For optimal safety, aim the low beam cutoff line approximately 2 inches below the center mark you made on the wall. After adjusting, step back and confirm both headlights are evenly aligned and provide clear visibility. Test your high beams to ensure they also function correctly and illuminate the road as expected. Proper headlight aim is vital for safe driving, especially at night. For a fresh driving experience, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Keep your Silverado shining bright and smelling great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.